I'll be teaching you the obi-Ani. Before I do anything with a lightsaber, there's a special someone that I want to show you. And that special someone is Monty. He's a puppy that we got quite recently. And he's playing in his playpen right now with some chew toys. And yeah, he settled in pretty well and he's quite happy. And okay, so after that surprise, onto the normal obi-Ani tutorial. And it starts off the normal spin. If you don't know how to do the normal spin, then check the link in the description of this video and watch that one. And then head back to this one and watch the full video. So, we have basic spin. And then we point down. Easy enough, right? Spin, down. Spin, and down. I won't repeat as much because when I watched last video it was kind of annoying. But, okay, spin, down. I'm going to bring it here. You see that? Like this. Save it like that. So spin, down, put it behind my back. Pause the video and try that. Spin, down and behind my back. Eventually it starts to look like that. Then we have to bring it to the front with this movement. See that? Like that. So, spin to the back and front. Spin, down, back and front. Like that. And then, eventually, it looks like this. And that is good obi-Ani. And then when we're here, all we need to do is bring it up into the spin. So, spin, down, behind my back, bring to front, up, and into spin. And so, if you practice it over and over again, eventually it starts to look like this, and you look super cool.